In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. Whether you're organizing a project or drafting a comprehensive document, having a table of contents can greatly enhance the readability and navigation of your Notion pages. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Notion workspace where you store your wikis, documents, and projects. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button to access your account. You'll then be taken to your Notion homepage, which is the hub for all your workspaces and pages. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific page where you'd like to add a table of contents. Open this page and ensure it contains the content for which you want to organize with headings. If you haven't created headings yet, that's another crucial step. But don't worry, I'll guide you through that right now. To create headings in Notion, simply start editing your page. You can do this by clicking on any text block and selecting the formatting option to convert the text into a heading. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+1 for a heading 1, Ctrl+Shift+2 for a heading 2, and so on. This variation in heading levels helps structure your content hierarchically, which will later be reflected in your table of contents. Now that you've organized your page with headings, let's add the table of contents. The process is straightforward thanks to Notion's intuitive command palette. Click anywhere on your page and type the /key, search. You'll see a variety of options appear as you start typing. What you want to do is type in Table of Contents. Select the Table of Contents option from the list that appears. This will instantly create a table of contents at the location of your text cursor. The table of contents will automatically populate with the headings you've created, showcasing a structured overview of your page. Not only does this feature automatically update as you add or modify headings, but it also provides links to each section of your document for easy navigation. It's an incredibly helpful tool for lengthy documents, ensuring that both you and your collaborators can quickly access different parts of your content. To wrap this up, adding a table of contents in Notion is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your documents, making them easier to navigate and understand. You've set it up by preparing your page's content with headings, then using Notion's built-in /command to effortlessly add the dynamic index. So, take a moment, give it a go, and start organizing your Notion pages more effectively today. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your Notion experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Have a great day creating.